बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वक़फ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिहिल्लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम फ़ज़्कुरूनी अज़्कुरकुम वश्कुरूली वला तकफुरून। सूरह अल-बकरा। Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do my zikr, remember me in every condition. I remember you in every condition. Ayat goes, فَإِذْ أَذَّنَ رَبُّكُمْ, and your Rabb has commanded you this order. لَإِنْ شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. If you do shukr on any ni'mat, any gift, any bounty, we will not only keep up that bounty, we will increase that bounty. We increase that ni'mat. Subhanallah. في مقام آخر قال الله تبارك وتعالى ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the day of Akhir, while Hisab Kitab, He will certainly ask about the gifts, what He blessed us, what inamat He gave us. He will question. I gave you life, how you spend your life? I gave you ilm, how you spend your ilm? Did you act upon your ilm? I gave you money, you're very rich. Did you take care of the poor people? Did you pay the zakat? So, naturally we see we are full of gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala demand, what gift I gave you, what inamat I gave you, what blessing I gave you, I would like to have thanks. Another ayat mubarakah. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. This is not one ayat. Surah Rahman, a lot of ayat. Again and again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala count the inamat, count the blessing, and after every blessing, He asks, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Can you deny any? My name? No, Ya Allah, we cannot deny any name. What name you can deny? I bless you. Million, thousand inamat. Yes, Ya Allah, you bless Allah, we cannot deny. We do shukr of you. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, La yashkurillah, la yashkurin nas. That person does not do shukr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who does not shukr to the human being. Mean what? If somebody gave us a favor, our parents, our teacher, our sheikh, our friends who helped us, so we have to pay back the shukr. Practically or physically, we have to pay back the shukr. Shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Shukr to that person who did favor to you. We should not ignore the favors of the other human being. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, فَإِنَّ الْإِيمَانَ نِصْفَانِ. Iman has two ingredients. Two nisfan, two half. What is first half? النصف الصبر النصف الشكر. So our life should be either in shukr or in the condition of as-sabr. How? Under pleasant condition, we should do shukr. Under unpleasant condition, we should do sabr. We are healthy, good health, good money we have, mashallah, we should do shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If unfortunately we get sick, we are little poor, no job, please, then we do sabr. Then we will be raised with these people. If we have these two qualities, we will be raised with the Shakirin and with the Sabirin. There are three kinds of shukr. Number first, shukr al-Lisani, shukr with the tongue. When we get any blessing, any gift, we should say with the tongue, shukr alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Or thank you very much. Someone does favor to us, we should say, shukr alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. It's a better word than thank you. For Muslim you can say, for non-Muslim you may say, thank you very much. This is a beautiful habit over here. I used to live in Brooklyn. I used to go by train to by Manhattan for a job. So sometime it happened, the train standing, I happened to push somebody, right, by chance. And the person who got pushed, he said, excuse me, please excuse me. This is how it is. So, number one is we should do shukr with the tongue. After eating the food, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Somebody gives you something, thank you very much. Shukr alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. And then we should also praise the person who does favor to you. The teacher teaches you Quran, teaches you Islam. Sometimes tell him, thank you my dear teacher, you teaching me Quran. Thank you the manager of this masjid who is managing the masjid. Thank you my dad, you gave me good clothes. Very good, Daddy. Thank you very much. And also, the person who does favor to you, we should make dua for him. Ya Allah, increase. He is doing favor to me, increase his or more favor. Bless and more gift. This is a shukr of the tongue. What about heart? Second is shukr qalbi. We should do shukr with the heart also. Not by the tongue service. Oh, thank you very much. With the heart somewhere else. No. With the heart, sincerity. With sincerity we do shukr. And we should be happy. When Allah blesses something, we should fill up with joy. And third is practical shukr. Shukr with the tongue, shukr with the heart, practical shukr, amli, practical shukr. Do favor to the person who does favor to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses us a lot, uncountable ni'mah. So what is shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? To obey Him, read His Quran. Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam sacrificed for us a lot. We should follow His sunnah to our maximum ability, and we do lot of salatu wa salam. Follow the sunnah in the life and say lot of salatu wa salam to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barak wa sallam. Second thing, we should use the gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala under the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the way of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is the real shukr. Otherwise, it is not real shukr. Example, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us food to eat. What is shukr? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And in the end you can say, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And also, the person does favor to you, you try to favor to you. The person who does favor to you, we should try to do favor back to him. You understand? Anybody nice to you, you be nice to him. And you know that in the history of Islam, when Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam conquered Mecca, you know how much Meccan people bothered him. So he did not take revenge. This is shukr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by conquesting the Mecca, he forgave them. Instead of taking revenge, he forgave them. This is a real shukr. We have to do shukr of each and every organ of our body. Shukr of the eyes, don't look bad thing. Don't go to bad area of internet and cellular telephone and look bad thing. That's not shukri, ungratefulness. We should do shukr of eyes, reciting Quran-e-Majid. Shukr of the tongue, say right thing, nice talk. We should do shukr of our parents, how much they suffer, how much they work hard for our livelihood. We should do shukr of the ilm, knowledge what Allah gave us. We should do shukr of the ilm and to the Al-Nabi and our teacher. Do shukr of our life. Allah gave me life. So make the best use of our life. Spend your life under the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Sunnah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should do shukr of our iman. Allah bless us with correct iman, correct faith. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This will guarantee go to paradise soon we close eyes. Think for a while. We can be eligible of paradise if we believe and say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should do shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, shukr to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shukr to our ulama, Ya Allah to bless me with the iman. And the shukr of iman, we should do good maximum deed, Neik amal. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to lead life with shukr. Inshallah, rest of the half bayan about shukr will be next Friday. So, Akhir Damana, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And this bayan will. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.